Hello friends, in this video we are going to learn command line input in Java. What is command line input? When we run a Java code from the command prompt, along with that we provide some string as an input. That input is called command line input. As you know, in every Java code there is a main function. In the parameter of main function there is a string and args. This args is a name of an array and string is the data type of this array. The command line input will store in this args array. Let's see how. Open the notepad and write the code. My class name is test. I am writing main function. Parameter in the main function is string args. Args is a name of an array and string is the data type of this array. We can change the name of args. It is not necessary that we have to provide the name of this array as args. We can give any user defined name. My array name is ar. When we give some input from the command prompt, that input will store in this array. As you know, the index of array starts from the 0. The first input will store in the 0 index and the second store into the 1 index. Let's see. I am giving the output command. I want to print the first index value of this array ar. What it will print? It will print the value which I provide on the time of running of this code. Let's see how to run this code. First save the code. All file, select the folder. I am selecting A drive, give the name, save it, open the command prompt, change the drive as E because I saved my Java code into the A drive, compile the Java code as javac test.java. Test.java is a source code file name and javac is the command to compile the Java source code file. Press enter. Source code is compiled successfully. Now run the code. Test is the class file name. Then give some input. I am giving the input hello. This hello is the command line input. Press enter. Hello is printed here. Now come to the code again. When I provide the input hello, it store into the array on the first index, and this system.out.println command will print that first input which I provide, because here I am giving AR0. Now I want to print the second value and want to give the second input. AR second index of the array is 1 and I want to print the value of this second index. Save it, come to the command prompt, again compile it, compile successfully, run this. Second input is all. This is the first input hello and this is the second input all. The first input will store in the first index of the array and the second input will store into the second index of this array. Press enter. Hello and all, because in the source code I print the first index and second index. This is command line input. We can only give the input as a string because the data type of the array is string only. We can also input some number from the command line, but by default source code treat that number as a string because the data type of the array is a string. For that we have to convert that string into the integer. We will see this in the next video. Thank you.